If you forgot your local account password, don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to change your password using command prompt. Your photos, document and file are completely safe and you are not going to lose any data. Just follow the steps I'm showing you in this video. On your keyboard, press and hold Shift key, then click on this power icon, select Restart anyways, release the Shift key now. Once you'll be on this screen, click on Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, select Command Prompt. Here you have to type your drive letter. It could be C drive, D drive. In my case, I have E drive. Simply type that in, then put semicolon and press enter. Then type dir for the directory and press enter. Here you can see I have Windows directory showing up. So type in here cd space Windows, then press enter. Then type cd space system. Make sure your number lock key is on system32 and press enter. Here we need to type some important commands. Type ren space utilman. Make sure you're typing correct. Then type exe, then give a space utilman1.exe. Make sure you have typed it correct. Otherwise, it's going to be really hard for you to reset it back. If you have already made some mistake, then you can contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page. We'll help you out to restore it back. After typing this command, press enter. Then type ren space cmd.exe space utilman.exe and press enter. After doing this, simply close the command prompt, click on continue. Now you have to click on accessibility. You can see command prompt showing up in here. Now type control space user password 2. Make sure you type passwords, then type number 2 and press enter. Here you can see my username. Now click on reset password and you can type the new password and the confirm password in here. Let me type that in. Afterward, click on OK. Then again click on OK. Now let's see if it's working or not. Yeah, it's working perfectly fine. Now let me lock my PC again and we need to restore this accessibility back to normal. For that, press and hold Shift key, then click on power button, select restart and restart anyways and release the Shift key. Here you have to select the same option, select troubleshoot, advanced options, command prompt, type your drive letter, then press enter, directory, cd space Windows, press enter, cd space system32. As I said, make sure the number lock is on. Type 32 and press enter. Now type ren space utilman.exe space cmd.exe, press enter. Then type ren space utilman1.exe space utilman.exe and press enter. Now close the command prompt and click on continue. Alright, so let's check it one more time. And we have our accessibility back to normal. Let's type the password again and check. Yeah, it's working perfectly fine. So that's how you can reset Windows 11 password without losing your data.